hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, habit.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Klaiyi hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So this hair is giving a honey highlight blonde type of look. If you are interested in purchasing her, like I said, the purchase link will also be in the description box as well. So as you can see, this is what she is giving straight out the pack. This is before I plucked her. So forewarning, when I am dealing with units that are either like light brown or a lighter type of color, I usually don't pluck as much because when I pluck light wigs, I really don't see the difference as far as like, you know, the hairline and whatnot. So I try not to over pluck and just kind of focus on how I style the wigs. So again, this plucking process is not as tedious as it would normally be if it was a darker unit. Right now I am using my wax stick to kind of smooth out the hairline. And then I will be using a brush just to brush it back a little bit. And then of course I am going to repeat my plucking method. If you are new to my channel, I do have a detailed video on how I pluck my wigs. I will insert that in my description box below as well. So this is what she looks like so far. Big difference, right? I had to make sure the top part of this wig is flat. Some people do not like flat units because they say the flatter it is, the more unrealistic it looks. They would like hair with like some type of body. Yeah, not me. I'm cool with making sure she is flat. I don't know, y'all. I'm really feeling highlighted colors, light blonde, brown colors on me. Because it's almost the summertime, it's springtime. It is nice to kind of play around with colors. So right now I am cutting off those ear flaps so it can fit along my hairline. I will be having a wig sale. Please do not quote me when though, because I'm really trying to organize my life at this moment. But some of these wigs, especially my human hair wigs, disclaimer, they will only be able to fit the head size of a small head girl or somebody that has a 21 to a 22 and a half inch head. These wigs are custom to my head shape, so I have a 21-inch head. So if you are thinking about picking up a wig from me and she is human, she will be on the small side unless you want to buy her and do your thing with it. Right now I am using my even spray to go ahead and spray that lace down. So I am curling my hair with my Conair Infinity Pro curling wand. I did get this from Big Lots. I'm pretty sure I didn't pay nothing over $30. Don't quote me, because if you Google this wand curl, I don't think y'all be able to find it, but I know it is Conair and she is a 1.5 barrel. So just in case you want to pick her up, yeah, you can probably find a dupe of that. Overall, I really loved how this hair held a curl. I was actually surprised that this hair held a curl this long. I understand people kind of say like, okay, well, make sure you add like hairspray or some type of spritz so it can stay. Trust me, y'all. I've done that before with wigs that I will curl and the curls will still fall. These curls, however, stays. It is definitely a beginner friendly wig. Cons with this hair, I wouldn't personally say I had any cons with this hair. Shedding and tangling would more than likely come from how I was handling her and how I was styling her when I was, plucking and cutting the lace. So that could be from the shedding. But other than that, there was minimal shedding and minimum tangling. So the color job on this wig was absolutely beautiful. So if you like this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, that button is right there. Next to that button is that bell. Make sure you are clicking that bell so you don't miss none of my videos. If you want to connect more with me, I do have an Instagram page. Make sure you are following me on all my social medias. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I would like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga on A1, baby, back in that A-con, baby, butter.